Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. Kids, first we're opening colors. Yes, light pink color. Kids, stay with us. The next one is red color. Red color, red color. Now we open the color of Persian blue color. Wow, so many colors. White color, white color. Kids, the next one is orange color, orange color. Now we're opening the color of dark green color. And the next one is dark pink color. Dark pink color. Stay with us. The next one is black color. Now we open the color of black. The next one is, yes, light green color. And the next one is yellow color. Yes, blue color, blue color. The next one is silver color, silver color. Brown color, brown color. And the last one is sky blue color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Kids, now start writing capital letter alphabets A. So kids, first we're using the color of dark pink color and now we're writing the alphabet of A. Dark pink color, A. The next one is B, C, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan. Now we're writing the alphabet of G, H. And the next one is I for ice, I for ice cream, J, K, L, L for lion, L for lemon. Now we're using the color of red. Red color, stay with us. M. The next one is N. Now we're writing the alphabet of O, P, Q, and the next one is R. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.